Hello students, welcome to English World. Learn better by best experience. This is Seman Nabdya, English educator at SBM Sarda Vihar Bhopal. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 2, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom, written by himself. So listen carefully and try to understand fully. Lesson 2, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom, written by Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. Before starting lesson, you must know what is it about. Is it about apartheid? That is a political system that separates people according to their race. Can you say which country had such a political system until very recently? Have you heard of Nelson Mandela? Mandela and his African National Congress spent a lifetime fighting against apartheid. Mandela had to spend 30 years in prison. Finally, democratic elections were held in South Africa in 1994, and Mandela became the first black president of a new nation. So this is an extract from Mandela's autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom. Mandela speaks about a historic occasion, the inauguration. Can you guess what the occasion might be? So let's see. We have some key points to understand the lesson at a glance. Long Walk to Freedom is an autobiography written by Nelson Mandela, in which he has given the description of struggle against apartheid, how he made his country free from white supremacy. He began with the inauguration ceremony, which was taken place on 10th May 1994 in Amphitheatre building in Pretoria. As a first black president, he also thanked the international guests for witnessing a common victory for justice, for peace, for human dignity. He also told about apartheid, how it was brutal practice in South Africa, how they have created a structure which was inhuman the world has ever known. But now the system had been changed and they have a non-racial government, democratic government. He has also given the expression how he understood the meaning of freedom as age and by experience. When he was child, what was the meaning of freedom? When he was a student, what was the meaning of freedom? When he was young or joined political party, what was the meaning for him? But when he came to know the real meaning of freedom, he has changed his life, or that has changed his life. He has also given the final expression that the person who are oppressing others, they are also not free from himself. So oppressor must be liberated as oppressed, otherwise he is also slave, he is not free. So now let's come to the explanation of the lesson. So it began with the inauguration ceremony, which took place on 10th May 1994 in the Amphitheatre building in Pretoria, where dignitaries and distinguished leaders all over the world came to see the common victory for justice, for peace and for human dignity. On his speech, he thanked the distinguished guests and the watching world. He also promised the African people to liberate them from bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, genders and other discrimination. Demonstrations were performed by forces. They saluted him and showed loyalty to the government and new president. Two national anthems were sung. First was Nkosi Sikelel' African for white and Die Stem for African to promote brotherhoodness. When he was speaking, he started recalling the memories, the sense of history, how they have faced the oppress or exploitation by the white supremacy. He was also remembering those people who have sacrificed their lives, and because of their sacrifice, okay, now today they are about enjoying the non-racial or democratic government. Mandela also expressed the meaning of courage. He told that the courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not the man who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Mandela also described the two obligations, that is one towards the family, to his parents, to his wife and children, another obligation to his people, community and his country. Mandela also had described the meaning of freedom. As a boyhood or childhood, freedom was an illusion for him. As a student, he wanted freedom to stay out at night, read what he pleased, and go where he chose. As a young man, freedom for him was earning, marrying, and having a family. But when he came to know that my brothers and sisters were not free, then he is not free. In this way, hunger for freedom became the greater, and it has transformed a frightened young man into a bold one. He also told that oppressor must be liberated if he is oppressing anybody. Otherwise, he is also slave. He is also not free. Finally, one character's case of Nelson Mandela may be asked in the examination. So we have to know the short introduction of Mandela, then how he was a good orator, okay, in this speaking. He was a great freedom fighter, how he was a hero and real patriotic, how he respected sacrifices of his people, how his hungerness for freedom of his country transformed a frightened young man into a bold one. Finally, I am giving you summary and extracts. So go through the summary and extracts along with the question answers to score full marks.